Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today just gonna be a little garden, little harvest, little walk, little talk. You can see these tomatoes, they starting to come in. They looking pretty good. So as this basil, it needs to be harvested. See, it's going to flower. So we need to get a lot of that put up. And it'll bush out more. Still got a little time. Still got a lot of time before. These Parker's Whoppers are getting huge. San Marcello's. I don't know, I ain't saying that right, but yeah. That's a big old sunflower. It's a mammoth sunflower. Strawberry starting to flower again. Got more berries. Berries and runners. That one was left down there way too long. It rot. Not too many of them now. I'll be glad when these blueberries all finish ripening, so I can take all this netting off. Pink lemonades. Blueberries everywhere. All ripening at different stages. Many different varieties. I think I have 11 varieties. Some of the varieties are Tougher Blue, Climax, Premier, Duke. Pink lemonade. It's just a few of them. I can't remember all of them. I'll take some damage though. Let's knock some berries off. Putting it right. Let me finish picking these blueberries and I'll be right back. Still picking blueberries. This Premier here. No, this is a Climax. This is Climax. This is a lot. So it's a good variety. You know, most people tell you gotta have so much space between this and this and this. Yeah, I don't listen to none of that. You just gotta do what works for you. Running like this, I have to keep up on my pruning, but I don't mind because I like different varieties. I like experimenting with different things and seeing which one's gonna work best for me. So that's what I do. To each his own. My garden. And the overseer of it. So put on a lot of new growth. This pink lemonade here put out a lot of berries this year too. Got them about picked her dry. She still got a few off in there hiding. I don't see no more right though. Picked these two dry already. Them are Emerson's. This little guy is struggling. I don't know why. He didn't put on no berries this year and he's struggling. So I'm gonna have to treat him. Keep giving him some compost tea and yeah. That's my tough fruit. She's starting to put on a lot of new growth. Didn't give me too many berries. That's just a persimmon. It used to be a fruity persimmon, but the fruity part passed away. All this damage. Yeah, you see all the wood chips washed away. So every brand comes back looking delicious. These blackberries, I don't know what's going on with them. But I'm starting to think about pulling these out. I probably am. Violet, talk about those. Probably want to see them grapes. Now this is reaching for the sky. Blue contours. Y'all seen me harvest that deal. Look how much is back already. Yeah. Some of the figs are starting to show up. It's Texas evergreen. Since I pinched it, the base is just growing like crazy. Hugo, don't see. We don't see no double bumps yet on Hugo. Olympian, like she might be ready. She just might be ready to push out more flowers. I gotta move my little LSU go down there, but she is getting shaded. These are growing like wildfire. Growing like wildfire. White guava. Look, one flower. Looks like it's gonna be one fruit. I ain't probably seen any more flowers yet, so let's see. Blackberries. I call them wild because I bought them from the store, but I call them wild because they got thorns on them. Don't see too many up here today. It's ready. Let's try to get a few cucumbers. A few. Put more corn up here. Sweet potatoes is lining out, looking pretty good. Still got some bug damage on it though. Now they say you can eat sweet potato leaves. Haven't tried it yet. Maybe. These blackberries been doing pretty decent. If I can get them out of the netting, that is. Oh, I hate fooling with this bird netting. But if you don't, you're not gonna keep your food. These birds and chipmunks and squirrels, they all be wilding. Even the raccoons. I got one raccoon I got a problem with. I think that's what got my corn. Be alright. I'll catch him. I'll get my lick back. Strawberries over here putting out more runners than flowers, but they're starting to put out more flowers. Yeah, that's how things are going down here. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. It's Oldham Homestead down here in Growing Zone 7B, Tennessee. Y'all stay blessed.